Hello everyone, I am Nico, and today we're going to review what are we looking for DS Factory program and what are the main requirements to apply for this program. First, a little bit of context about Startup Chile. As you know, Startup Chile is the biggest acceleration program in Latin America and the first government-run acceleration program in the world. Today, we're one of the biggest communities of startups in the world also. We have supported more than 1,600 startups, more than 4,500 entrepreneurs that are part of these startups that have come to Chile from more than 85 countries. We are recognized as the #1 acceleration program in Latin America and one of the top 10 acceleration programs also in the world. And a lot of other countries have been inspired in Startup Chile to create their own acceleration programs inspired in this model. We have 3 different programs. We're going to focus today on DS Factory, but we also have the SEED program and WIA program. If you want to know more details about them, you can check our website, startupchile.org. All the terms and conditions and benefits for those programs are described there. So, DSF, the Startup Factory, is a 4-month pre-acceleration program for startups in an early stage of development. We select startups that can apply with just an idea or a concept. All the selected startups receive 10 million Chilean pesos. This is approximately $14,000. Equity-free money. We don't take any participation in your startup. This is just money. This is public money for you and for your business. We also offer a soft landing program. We're going to help you with all the civil registry, with the banking, with the location here in Chile, and connections with the local market, and the amazing pre-acceleration program that I'm going to explain you in another video. And also I'm going to explain you in that other video about the main stages of the program. What are the main criteria that we use to select the startups? First, any industry is eligible. We have supported startups from the agriculture sector, from education, from health, for fintech. Any kind of solutions can apply to the program, and also from any country. The startup must have interest in Chile and Latin American market. This is very important. You need to tell us in the application form why Chile is interesting for you to develop this solution, why Chile is an interesting market for your business, and how you plan to impact the Latin American market also. The team leader must identify herself with the female gender. This is a program that has a focus on gender. We want to increase the number of startups that are led by a female founder. So the person that applies as team leader needs to identify herself with the female gender. This is important. The team leader must have an exclusive dedication to her startup. You cannot have another job and work part-time on the startup. You need to work full-time on the development of the project. This is also important. We want to have we want to have founders in the program that are 100% committed with the development of the project. So you need to work full-time on this startup. The company must be tech-based with a scalable solution. By tech-based, we mean that you use technology to innovate and scale your product or service. You can apply with any kind of solution or product, but you need to have a component of technology in the solution that make it easy to scale. We want you to impact and develop your solution in Chile, but also it's very important to have this scalable component for you to, after the program, for you to scale to other countries' markets. The company must have been created in less than 12 months ago on the date of the application. By creation, we mean when you decided to start the startup, not when you incorporated the startup. This is important also. We only support startups with less than 1 year of development in this factory program. Consider the year since the moment that you started working full-time on the development of the startup. The team leader has to settle in Chile at least throughout the whole duration of the program or until you have spent the whole grant, typically around 5 months. The acceleration program is 4 months, but you can have an extra month to keep expanding the grant that we gave you in your project. If you win the 5 million Chilean pesos extension, then you must stay in Chile until you have also spent extension money. This is typically around 3 more months. All the startups receive the 10 million Chilean pesos that I explained at the beginning, but we select the best startup of generation, and those startups can apply for an extension of another 5 million Chilean pesos. and you can use 3 more months to spend this money. The team leader cannot be changed after the application is completed, so please make sure to choose the right person. This is important also because you need to choose the right person for to be the team leader of the project. The team leader is responsible to be here in the mandatory activities of the program. We have around 1 mandatory activity per month. So please make sure to apply with the right person as team leader, because he's the one that is responsible to be here in Chile in the mandatory activities. Each cohort slightly varies in its terms and conditions. Make sure to read the ones created for the call you're applying. This is important also. Make sure to read the terms and conditions, because in case that you are selected, you need to sign a contract with Corfo that includes all the terms that are in those documents. So please read all the terms and conditions. You can find there all the benefits of the program, all the requirements, all the criteria, and also what are the main topics that we evaluate in the different stages of the selection process, and also for the extension. So the application dates are already started, and it's going to be open until next Monday, December 23rd. So you can go to our website, startupchile.org, to find the link to apply. You can also check all the information in our social media. If you have any other questions, please send an email to contact@startupchile.org. You can also find in the website a section of frequently asked questions, so please check them before sending an email to this direction. And this is a really, really great program to launch your product to the market, to validate, to test, and to create and to be part of an amazing community of startups. So thank you very much for your time, and I hope to see you here in March.